I'm Andy Stevens. I'm a marketing consultant based in Lancashire, and today we are at Regus Docklands in Preston. So today's a LinkedIn workshop. We're talking about how you can use LinkedIn to achieve your personal goals, your professional goals, and how you can support your business. If you ask anyone about LinkedIn, the first thing they'll say is, I should do more on LinkedIn. Usually they think they should be posting more. The reality is you can get a lot out of the platform without posting a single thing. Today was about sharing those tactics and giving people a plan that they can take away for the next few weeks and gain benefits from it. I've run workshops specifically for a single business and for the people that work for that business, and also, like today, drawing people from lots of different backgrounds and bringing them together and sharing best practice.
Andy was really amiable, yeah, I got a good benefit from it, and he was a good speaker.
Yeah, absolutely, really clear, friendly, drove a good conversation. I think it was very interesting. It's a very insightful conversation and presentation with regards to a strategy that I've honestly not heard about before, and I think it's probably quite an easy one to pick up.
I do have LinkedIn, occasionally use it, so I can see the theory, which was really helpful. I'm going to give it a go, and I do think it will reap some benefits.
So whilst LinkedIn has been around for 22 years, I think the core nature of the platform hasn't changed that much. So what usually happens with a social platform is that in the beginning, it will give its users lots of exposure on the platform because it's trying to build itself, it's trying to build the number of users it has, and then it'll hit a tipping point where that exposure will be cut off. It becomes a pay-to-play model then. With LinkedIn is that because it's peer-to-peer networking, you can get a lot out of the platform without having to spend a penny. So like, I purposely don't have a premium account, for example, because I want to be able to show people how they can use the free account from a beginner to intermediate level and see some positive return on that investment of time. The tactics that I've shared today are the first step towards doing that. And what you'll find is if you're seen as a regular commenter by those people as well, you might get invited to do training sessions, you might get invited to events, conferences, and then that'll unlock the face-to-face stuff that you're no doubt great at as well. I like connecting with people. So I started my career in sales when I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, and then made a sideways step over into marketing, and I've just always loved it. I like getting out to events, I like running workshops, I like meeting new businesses in terms of how I can help them. But since going on my own, I've opened up this whole ecosystem of other non-competing marketing experts that have sort of added to my knowledge and just keeps things interesting, really.